One Direction fans react to What Makes You Beautiful cover. Former One Direction singer Zayn Malik drops new version of What Makes You Beautiful. One Direction fans have been reacting to Zayn Malik's surprising cover. On Thursday, February 20, the Dusk Till Dawn hitmaker posted a new version of What Makes You Beautiful on his Instagram stories, which sent fans into a frenzy. However, some fans were confused by the soulful vocal, smooth rhythm and low-pitched version as the original 2011 tracks blended dance pop, power pop and bubblegum pop. It took me half of the voice note to realize what he was singing, noted one fan as he did not realize he was listening to a new version of a first big track. I hate that What Makes You Beautiful and was like, wait a minute. Another noted that the chorus made him realize what song Zen 32 is singing. I am in shock. Also, the way it took us all forever to realize what song it was. Laughing emoji. A third fan pointed playfully. Meanwhile, some fan praised the night changes singer's effort, with one saying, "It was not on my 2025 being caught." Aha! It our ID song from Zayn in 2025. Another remarked excitedly, Zayn's the latest cover song fuels buzz about a One Direction reunion, while some believe he is honoring his days with Harry Styles, Neil Horan, Louis Tomlinson, and Liam Payne in the British band which he left in 2015. It is a pertinent to note What Makes You Beautiful was released as the debut single and lead single from One Direction debut studio album Up All Night. With the debut album, the quintet made history as the first UK group to bow at number one of the Billboard 200.